about different NIFT campuses because counseling date is approaching. We need to know about each and every college, right? So I call this video the NIFT campus scan because here I'm going to show you different NIFT campuses along with the facilities which are there in each campus, and I'm going to tell you how far it is from the railway station or the airport, and I'm going to brief you about the handicrafts which are there in each state, like the special handicrafts. So now what I'm going to do is, there are total 16 NIFT campuses across India. So I'm going to divide these all 16 campuses into 4 different categories according to the location, like the North India, South India, East India and West India. So let us start with the South Indian campuses. So namely in South India you have Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore and Kannur campuses. So for I've given I'm going to share you a slide now. In this slide you can see that there are 9 columns from which you can see that for example, if you take Bangalore, the state is in Karnataka and it belongs to the South India, and then when it started, I've given you the year when it was started, and is there a girls hostel or is there a boys hostel in that particular campus. As you can see in Bangalore, there is a girls hostel but there is no boys hostel, and from airport it is around 45 kilometers away, and from railway station it is 15 kilometers away, the NIFT campus. Now I'm going to share you the slides where I'll show you each and every NIFT campus, like the outer infrastructure, like the outer building. I know this information is already available in the internet, but I just want to brief everything in this video so it will save your time and you don't have to go searching for each and every campus on the net. Before you enter into any particular NIFT campus, you should know what kind of handicraft is famous in that particular state, because you will also have these industry connect programs where you have to go to that particular artisan and learn their handicrafts and all. So because it is important, I'm going to share the slides where I'm going to show you the handicrafts which are famous for each state, and I'm going to mention in the description below the links. So if the counseling is online, and I am anticipating that the counseling is going to be similar to the engineering students ka counseling process, so I'm going to give you like a demo slide where I'll show that how to choose how are you supposed to mark your preference for each and every college. So now the slide, as you can see, the hall ticket number was 1 for the student, the common merit rank is 125 and category merit rank is 25. Here my first preference, or this particular student's first preference, is FD Delhi, second is Knitwear Design Delhi, third is FD Mumbai, fourth is Knitwear Design Mumbai, fifth is FD Bangalore, sixth is Knitwear Design Bangalore, seventh is Delhi Fashion Communication, eighth is Mumbai Fashion Communication, and 9th is Fashion Communication Bangalore, and 10th is FD West Bengal or Kolkata. So now I'm going to mention the form which I've just shown in the description box below so that you can download it and fill it accordingly according to your campus preferences. So it will not be like a confusion for you guys before filling the form for the NIFT admission process, in the counseling process of NIFT. So guys, I've done like a lot of research for this video. I've been doing this research in 7 days. So hope you all like this video. If you find this video informative for you, so please like this video, share it with your friends like who are attending this NIFT exams. Subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you have any queries. Click the notification bell right there so that you will receive all my notifications of the new videos. And next week I'm going to come up with a new video about the counseling process, the fee structure, etc., which is of utmost importance. So yeah, see you next week.